Brooke with WTI. Do you want to display some of your finer jewelry on a gorgeous display? Well, check out Amazing Abby's Temptation necklace holder stand. This holds my rings, my necklaces, my earrings, and I love how this base kind of has a lip that comes up a bit so I can stick a few of my stud earrings down at the bottom. I absolutely love this polished finish look. It looks like crystals next to my jewelry. Displaying it is beautiful and fun. It's not something I want to hide. I love the fact that it does spin. It makes me feel like I'm shopping at a jewelry store, yet without the damage. And I like the fact that it isn't very bulky. It is a little more than 12.12 inches high, and the base is a little more than 4.12 inches wide. And yet it holds, with the 12 hooks, quite a bit of jewelry. So it helps motivate me to get ready quicker so I don't have to go through my box of jewelry, and it also helps me to alternate my different jewelry pieces so that I can have them on display and use them and then change them up. So it really is beautiful, thoughtfully made. This is a nice quality jewelry display. It was very easy to put together. So absolutely love this product. It is very pretty, and I just like the way it looks and how easy it makes my life. But that's just my point of view.